Thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring this video. More on them later. Join me as we find homemaking inspiration through the illustrious ruby in today's video. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. Our gemstone homemaking series continues as we revel today in the ruby, the red ruby. Ah, the color red. Dorothy's red ruby slippers. The cards in Alice in Wonderland painting the roses red. What is it about red that captivates us? It is an intense color, the color of passion, of richness, the color of anger, the color of love. Ruby is one of my favorite gemstones, as it is the birthstone of July, which is my birthstone. I feel a strong connection with it. I'm wearing a real ruby here. Not only that, but I designed this custom key necklace, and Sturm Brothers' custom design and fine jewelry brought it to life. Mrs. T.J. Sturm and I had a great discussion on rubies. I learned that they are the most valuable of the colored stones. They are, after all, called the most precious of the 12 stones created by God. Let's use this magical stone to influence our homemaking today. I like to start with style. While the color red for me is usually too intense to wear from head to toe, I do like to include it in my wardrobe in creative ways, like in a silk scarf. This silk scarf is called the Elephantasy scarf, made in Paris by my friend Junhee with Monkiji. Or I love wearing red in a Breton striped top. Of course, red nails are always a wonderful way to get a shot of ruby into your style, but we'll get into that a bit later. First, let's make an easy and modern version of a Black Forest cake. Black Forest cake is a chocolate sponge cake with a rich cherry filling, based on the German dessert Schwarzwaldwalder Kirschtorte, literally Black Forest cherry torte. Typically, Black Forest gâteau consists of several layers of chocolate sponge cake sandwiched with whipped cream and cherries. I'm keeping mine simple by making a homemade chocolate cake, whipped cream, and using a ruby red cherry pie filling. You can find the recipe in the description box. Let's begin. To make the chocolate cake, I start by combining flour, sugar, and unsweetened cocoa powder in a mixing bowl, along with baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I mix these dry ingredients until they're fully combined. Then I add the wet ingredients: eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. I mix this until fully blended. Then I pour the cake batter into the prepared cake pans and bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. Now I'm going to make the whipped cream by combining 3 cups of heavy cream with 1/3 cup of confectioner's sugar. I whip this until stiff peaks form. Once the cakes are baked, I allow them to cool down for about a half hour. If they are warm, they will melt the whipped cream, so it's important that you let them fully cool off. Now it's time to assemble the cake. Place the first layer of cake on a cake stand and top with whipped cream. Now I'm going to add some cherry pie filling to this, and repeat the process with the top layer. I'm choosing to decorate this a bit like a Victoria sponge cake, or somewhat of a deconstructed Black Forest cake. The gleam of the red cherries provide that much-needed infusion of ruby inspiration that I've been yearning for. I invite a friend over to tea, and we are enjoying our generous slices of Black Forest cake with a strong cup of Earl Grey. What a delightful way to while away a cold winter afternoon. I'm going to break away for a minute to tell you about Birch Living, who have kindly sponsored today's video. Birch is a premium mattress-in-a-box company that makes mattresses and sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that's made with organic and natural materials because unlike synthetic mattresses, the wool in these mattresses make it hypoallergenic, as they are both allergen and mildew resistant. In addition to being a better mattress for us, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably. We've had our Birch mattress for over 2 years. It's so comfortable, and it gets more so with each use. The mattress is easy to set up. I did this all by myself. I love my Birch mattress, and I think that you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. You can click the link below or go to birchliving.com/daily and get 20% off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. If you're looking for a mattress for your little ones, also check out the new Birch Kids line. And thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring today's video. And now on to a ruby red manicure. I find that when my hands look good, I feel happier throughout the day. I look at my hands so much after all. When they are neglected, I feel it. I love painting my nails red. I used to be intimidated by painting my nails dark colors, but with practice, they can look professionally done. The key is not getting polish on your skin or cuticles, as that looks messy. So take your time with it and enjoy the process. My 4 favorite red shades are Vendetta, Ring Me, Double the Deck, and Changing of the Guards from London Town. They all have slightly different hues of red. This one is Changing of the Guards, which is a great pre-spring color. What a relaxing ritual. To carry on with the relaxation, I'm going to arrange a simple bouquet of ruby red tulips. I find that with tulip bouquets, I never want to use filler. The tulips are so architecturally stunning, they stand beautifully on their own. Red tulips are a rare treat for me. Though Holland is the largest producer of tulips, they are actually native to Central Asia, and red tulips symbolize undying love. There is a famous Persian legend about the red tulip, and here it is. There once was a young prince named Farhad, who was in love with a beautiful girl named Shirin. Shirin was tragically killed, which devastated Farhad. Desperately sad, Prince Farhad rode his horse off a cliff, and a red tulip grows where his blood was shed on the ground, symbolizing perfect love forever. Rather tragic, isn't it? I'm displaying these tulips on a side table in our piano room, next to some of my favorite coffee table books. It surely brightens up the space beautifully. Every time I look at red tulips, I'll think of that tragically romantic story of Prince Farhad and his love, Shirin. And now for some more ruby inspiration, let's make a cozy yet elegant late winter soup in the slow cooker. We're going to make seafood cioppino. Start by placing the following into your large slow cooker. Diced tomatoes. I used crushed here, but diced is better in this recipe. Tomato paste, onion, garlic, clam juice, wine, red wine vinegar, olive oil, Italian seasoning, bay leaves, and celery. Allow this to cook on low for 4 to 5 hours. it's time to add the seafood. I'm placing 1 pound of shrimp, some chopped cod fillets, clams, and lump crab meat into the slow cooker, along with some fresh parsley, salt, and pepper. I cook for an additional 20 minutes. You don't want to go much longer than that here so the seafood doesn't overcook. Once the seafood is fully cooked, ladle it into soup bowls and top with extra parsley. This is a warm and comforting soup and makes you feel as though you are visiting the seaside at winter time. I hope you enjoyed this Ruby-inspired video and that it infuses your daily homemaking with magic, passion, and love. Thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to click the link below or go to birchliving.com/daily and get 20% off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. Thank you for joining me for the latest in our gemstone homemaking series. What gem will we explore next? In the meantime, keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.